The XS1500 Pro LED grow lights are designed with advanced optical lenses that ensure optimal light concentration and uniform distribution for healthier plant growth. For those managing extensive indoor plant setups, the dimming daisy chain feature allows you to connect up to 20 units, making it ideal for commercial applications. These lights provide a full spectrum that mimics natural sunlight with a combination of white, red, and infrared LEDs, supporting plants through all growth stages from seed to bloom. Energy efficiency is a standout feature, as the XS1500 Pro consumes only 150 watts, yet it is capable of replacing traditional 250-watt HPS or MH lights. Durability is assured with a quality aluminum heatsink that effectively dissipates heat, extending the lifespan of the lights and ensuring consistent performance. The XS1500 Pro is a cost-effective choice that is simple to set up, with the manufacturer offering professional guidance to maximize your indoor gardening success.